Bon après-midi. Be of on your Siuk Master French with Vidyansshu. Today we are going to conjugate the verb appeler in the present tense in affirmation and negation. It is a special verb just like amene. We have already done the conjugation of amene in affirmation and negation. Special verbs are those verbs which are conjugated by the same set of rules which are used for the conjugation of er ending verbs. The same rules will be applied here. These are special verbs because of a simple reason that they keep on changing the stem. Appelle means to call in present tense, and in affirmation it is conjugated as appelle, j'appelle. Here they stem in je, tu, il, o, and in the conjugation with the third person plural, that is il, we will have to use double L. Tu, appelle, il, o, appelle, nous appelons. Single N in nous and vous form. Vous appelez. These two are conjugated in the same way as we conjugate in the er ending verbs with a single L. And again in il, that is third person plural, we will have to use double L, appel. The pronunciation of these three are appel, zaplon. Because of the liaison rule, S will get linked with this A. So the pronunciation will be zappelon, zappele, and the last one is also appel. The meanings are I call, you call, he or she calls, we call in informal way, nous, we call in formal way, vous appelez, you call, and they call or they are calling. In negation, the formation is sujet plus na plus verb plus pas. So je n'appelle pas. Tu n'appelles pas. Elle, on n'appelle pas. Nous n'appelons pas. Single L. Vous n'appelez pas. In these two, the L is in single. And in the end, elle n'appelle pas. So the meanings are I do not call, you do not call, he or she does not call, we do not call, you again in new form, we do not call, in formal way, you do not call, they are not calling, or they do not call. So I'm sharing a set of some sentences for the purpose of making you understand how this verb is going to be used in the formation of sentence. The first sentence is Je n'appelle pas Valérie. This is pronounced as Valérie. I do not call Valérie. Second, tu appelle Paul demain. You call Paul demain means tomorrow. Third sentence is il appelle le médecin. Here I have used the definite article le because médecin is a masculine singular noun. Médecin. This means doctor. The fourth sentence is elle n'appelle pas Nicolas. She do not call, or she is not calling Nicolas. Pronunciation, this is a French proper noun, a name of a man, Nicolas. Here it is Valerie. It is also a proper noun, French of a woman, French name of a woman. Next is nous n'appelons single L pas Monsieur Martha, another French proper noun, pronunciation Monsieur Martha. The next one is vous appelez single L Sophie. Maintenant. This is pronounced as maintenant, which means now. You call Sophie now. Seventh one is elle double L n'appelle pas la directrice. They did not call the director. Here this directrice, the pronunciation is directrice, which means director. They did not call the director. Here the noun is feminine singular, which is why we have used the definite article le. Elle appelle le professeur. They call the professor, or they are calling the professor, or they call the professor. They call or they are calling the professor is perfect. The pronunciation is professeur. Professeur. So these are the 8 sentences which I wanted to discuss. I'm just giving you the pronunciations of all these sentences. Je n'appelle pas Valérie. Tu appelles Paul demain. Il appelle le médecin. Elle n'appelle pas Nicolas. Nous n'appelons pas Monsieur Martha. Vous appelle Sophie maintenant. Because of the liaison rule, S will get linked with this A. Then the 7th one is il n'appelle pas la directrice. L, again j'appelle le professeur. The pronunciation in the first here will be j'appelle, and these two will be pronounced as appel. Similarly, in the end, the pronunciation will also be j'appelle. J'appelle, tu appelles, ils appellent, nous appelons, vous appelez, elles appellent, because of the liaison rule. So this is all for today. I've shared the sentences which I wanted to discuss. If you understood this video and found it helpful, kindly like the video, share it with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel Master French with Vidyansshu. Please press the bell icon for getting all the future updates. A très bientôt.